In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to install CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2.04. So let's go to the folder where we have the file. This is the file. Right-click and extract file. Click OK. So, it will take few seconds to extract the file. The extraction is done, so this is it. Double-click to open it. So, this is the file. Double-click it to mount it. Once you double-click it, it will mount it. Come to by 64. Double-click to open it, then come to this setup. This setup application. Then double-click to launch the installation. So, here you can see the minimum system requirements. Click on Continue. Here you have to read the agreement. The license agreement, you have to read it. Read it before you can install the software, which means you read it from beginning to the end. Let me just scroll to the end. By the time you reach the end, this one will be active. The agree will be active for you to click and continue. So click on Agree. Then here we have the username. Put your preferred name. After putting your full name here or the name of your system, you paste the serial number here. For the serial number, you have to go back to where we extracted the file. Here is it, the file we extracted, open it. So you will see README first. Double-click to open it, so, the retail serial number, this is it here. Right-click and copy it. Then go back to our installation. Right-click and paste or just Ctrl-V. Then click Next. Then click on this typical installation. The installation will start soon, and it takes a lot of time. So, you have to be patient for it. Yes, click on Continue. Yes, this is the interface. However, for you to be able to use it, there is something you need to do. Close it, close the app. Let's close this. Then come back to this file. Let me maximize it. Then this first file. Right-click and copy it. Then come to Start. You will see Recently Installed. You can see CorelDRAW, right-click. Go to More and click on Open File Location. Right-click again. Click on Open File Location. So when you right-click at this point and Open File Location, it may open and it may not open. Like in this case, it's not opening. So what to do is you come to Local Disk. Come to Program File. Come to Corel. Come to this Past Utility. Come to V1. So, the file we copied the other time. Right-click and paste. Click on Continue. Yes, you have replaced it. Then go back to that very folder where you copied it from. This place, you see the second file here. Right-click and click on Merge. Click on OK. So, we have successfully installed it. Let's close all these pages. Here is it. Let's launch it. Yes, there is it. You can now use it. I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Like this video and subscribe.